Good morning, students. We will do the revision for your main board examination. Earlier, before the winter vacation, we have done so many chapters as a revision point of view. We have discussed a lot. Now, you are having very less time for your main board examination, and this is the last time when we do revision by last 5 years sample question paper of SST, so that a quick revision in a variety of way we can do. So here with the latest sample question paper for SST, I am going to give you the instruction so that you will be familiar about the format of the question paper. Then the time slot is also, I will read the instruction also, and then step by step we will communicate that how much you have learned for main board examination with the help of various objective questions, then short answer and then long answer. Okay, so first of all your SST question paper will come in such format. Here in Hindi and English, in both language you will find your question paper. As you belong to the English medium, so you will solve all the question in English. Okay, but at the same time you will be having the Hindi medium, the same question within one paper. So instruction, first of all the instruction that please check that this question paper contains 22 printed pages. First of all, when you will get your question paper in board examination or in pre-board 2, first of all you have to count your question paper's pages number. It should be 22. Okay, suppose according to this instruction we will count 1, here number of pages 2, this is second number page. Okay, and this is first. You have to count according to the first instruction that it should be how many number? 22. Okay, 1, 2, like this, 3, then 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so like this, and really this question paper is having 22 pages. 23 is math, which you have to just take out from your question paper, then you have to fill, and then you have to paste it with the help of stapler in your examination sheet. So this 23 is not a page number. This is required, which you have to staple with your main examination sheet. Yes. So this question paper is having 22 pages of number. Okay, in this manner, it is not an easy task to fulfill every requirement sincerely, to fill OMR sheet without any mistake, without overwriting. It requires so much of attention. Okay, practice also at the same time, because when we do the thing first time, maybe it will be very easy, but first time you are learning. So it is obvious that you will do mistakes. So that's why, to avoid the mistakes, I am giving you everything at how you will be cool in the main examination, especially as far as the instruction that it will be same for all subjects, all 5 subjects. Then we will come to the main subject wise. Okay. Second instruction, code number given on the right hand side of the question paper should be written on the title page of the answer book by the candidate. So second thing is that code number given on the right hand side of the question paper. Code number 32/1/1. Okay. So this code number you have to, which is given on the right side of the question paper, should be written on the title page of the answer book. The answer book which you will be having to solve your question answer, you have to write it on the title page of the answer book by the candidate. You have to write this code number also, because this code number will be different from student to student, so that we can avoid the cheating also. So many things. Second, please check that this question paper contains 35 questions. Okay, you have to check that in your question paper. Okay, and in a serial you have to count it, so that maybe it never happens, but it is just that we have to take the precautions. Okay, that okay, serial wise the question are complete in 35 in number. So these all things you have to do before writing the examination. Next step, please write down mentioned in the answer book before attempting it, it has been written in a capital letter and the block letter, dark. Because most of the students do these mistakes. That when you are writing the answers, okay, in examination, first of all, the section should be mentioned here. Because many times the students get confused when he is doing or she is doing the section A, which is having the at least 20 objective question, and suddenly you think that you have to do 3 marks question, section B. Okay, after doing a half of the section A, then please write down section B. And then, because you are free, you can start your answer from any section. You can do the last section in the starting, doesn't matter. But the mentioning of the section plus the numbering of the answer. If you are doing 35 question or 34 question or 30th question or question paper in the starting of your examination, doesn't matter, write down the section and then answer number 35, answer number 32. Okay? The mentioning of the answer in a correct serial number is very necessary to get whatever you will write on the basis of your content. But at least it never bothers the evaluator. It becomes very easy for checking also. Okay? Next, 15 minutes time has been allotted. Read this question paper. You will be having in main board also 15 minutes to read the question paper. Now the 5 subject papers, where you can read the question paper seriously, can understand what is all about the question paper, how many that I have already given you the detail that how many long, how many short, how many objective, but still 15 minutes that you have to read that how much you know. Okay, then the question paper will be distributed at 10:15. आपको question paper 10:15 पे होगा. It means 10 o'clock you have to be in the class. Okay, then from 10:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. the student will read the question paper only. 15 minutes you are not supposed to write anything on your question paper, on your answer sheet. You will not allow to write anything. You are only supposed to read the question paper for 15 minutes. Okay? So don't do any type of hesitation, any type of mistake, so that the invigilator instruct you. Okay? Another thing that, yes, the student will read the question paper only and will not write any answer on the answer book during this period. During this 15 minutes, you are not, you can say, allowed to write anything. Okay? Now, social science, maximum 80 and time allotted 3 hours. Okay? The same thing in Hindi, they have written. Now, question paper comprises 4 sections, A, B, C, D. They also introduce the E also now. Okay, I have taught that. Now, section A. I am coming to the main questions that how much you have prepared, and I want the answer from you also. Section A. Which of the following revolution is called the first expression of nationalism? Which options are there? Which of the following revolutions is called the first expression of nationalism? Your options are French Revolution, Russian Revolution, Glorious Revolution, the Revolution of the Liberals.
French Revolution.
Very good. The French Revolution. Yes. So how you will write down your answer in notebook? Section A. Answer 1. French Revolution is option A. You will write down section A, answer 1 and option capital A. Whatever. If they have given the capital A option, capital A. If they have given the small a option, which is correct, then you will write down option capital A and then answer. The French Revolution. Not only the only option, because it will take hardly few seconds to write down the complete answer. Option A, the French Revolution. Answer 1, option bracket capital A, the French Revolution. And above that, listen very carefully, because you do such type of mistakes. It seems very easy, but ma'am is teaching. These are very small thing, but you people do. When we evaluate your examination sheet, then we found out this is 32 question. A student has written the 35 question. Good way of answer. Getting my point? Second, why was the Inland Emigration Act of 1859 troublesome for plantation workers? First of all, I want to know that which section of social science this question belongs to. Civics, history, geography or economics. I will read the question once again. It is also 1 mark. Why was the Inland Emigration Act of 1859 troublesome for plantation workers?
History.
History. Which chapter? And your name is Anisha Bhandari, no? Which chapter? Give me the reason. Why it was a matter of tension for the plantation workers when the Inland Emigration Act of 1859 introduced. And you have to give one reason only. Why? This is your preparation for the main board examination. The question paper is comprises very easy question. Okay, tell me the reason. Why it was a matter of tension for the plantation workers when the Inland Immigration Act of 1859 was introduced? Why? Why they were not happy? I am talking about the Inland Immigration Act. Which chapter it is belong? Which chapter? I am not here that in the end of session I will give you the answer. Now, question number 3. Why was Vernacular Press Act passed in 1878? Why? Who has passed this act? Mahatma Gandhi ji. The Britishers passed this act, Vernacular Press Act. Why? You have to give any one reason. You told me the nationalism in India is very easy chapter. Why the Vernacular Press Act passed in 1878? The term vernacular, what do you understood by this? Vernacular. The Vernacular Press Act was passed in 1878 by the Britishers because they want the censorship on the local vernacular newspaper of India. Because during the nationalism, how the vernacular language or the newspaper helps to enhance the feeling of nationalism among the common people, it becomes very tough to control their feeling, to stop their nationalism, and that's why to stop this nationalism feeling, the Britishers decided to pass the Vernacular Press Act so that they can compel, they can ban the printing of newspaper in India which were in vernacular language. Vernacular language means regional language, local languages. This was the reason to stop the feeling, the emerging feeling of nationalism which was enhancing with the help of vernacular newspaper. They introduced the Vernacular Press Act in 1878. So this is one of the most important reasons. So such type of question will be asked to you where you will be blank. And they are very short, they are very solid, that no theory, no long discussion is required. It is for only 1 mark question. 1 mark question is just like SST. As in mathematics, if the answer is correct, you will get full mark. If it is not correct, then you will get 0. So remember, and these questions are for 20 marks. If correct, Define the term veto. Veto pass now. Define the term veto. Here you don't know what I have taught to you, then this is the current. What is veto? Next, define the term carding. Both questions, and they are in option. Both are related to the current knowledge. Veto, I will tell you what is veto. Okay? Veto is a constitutional right. What is veto? That's why I used to tell you, read the newspaper, watch the news, so that you will be updated. And the 1 mark question is definitely belong to the current knowledge of social science. So, veto, what is veto? It is a constitutional right. It is a constitutional right to reject a decision, to reject a decision, or proposal made by lawmaking, or a proposal made by law making. Okay, 1 mark question they have given, which does not belong to any book, but they are come under the social science. So that's why I told you, the question paper has prepared for the students who are very intelligent, who are aware, only are aware, and students can be having this answer. Who watch the news, who listen the radio, who read the newspaper daily as a habit. Only these students belong to this question, and it is only 1 mark. But that 1 mark create the difference between 60%, 70% and toppers. And that these toppers usually they fight the government high class competition. Getting our point? The same question which has asked as option with this question. Second question which is in option, define the term carding. What is carding? And it is also very important to know as far as the aware citizen. Write down. It is a form of credit card. It is a form of credit card fraud. It is a form of credit card fraud. Fraud, you know na? You know the meaning of fraud? In which a stolen credit card, in which a stolen credit card is used to change prepaid cards, to change prepaid card. It means what is carding? It is a fraud. When our credit card gets stolen and somebody is using it for their benefit, this term is known as carding. The both question is not in your syllabus, but they reflect that if somebody has done it, and they are really very aware student, they used to watch the news and used to read the newspaper. That's why I told you, what the question paper has designed with the expert to identify the aware, laborious students. Getting my point? Next, fill up. Buddhist missionaries, important, and I hope that you will be having the answer. That Buddhist missionaries from China introduced hand printing technology into dash around AD 768 to 707. Buddhist missionaries from China introduced hand printing technology into dash. You have to give the country name. You have to give the country name. In which country? Japan. Buddhist missionary from China introduced hand printing technology into Japan around AD 768 to 770. Okay. Next option. Within the question, fill up, there is an option. By 1448, Gutenberg perfected the system of printing. The first book he printed was the first printed book was the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana or the Bible?
Ramayana.
Just shut your mouth. The Bible. How could you forget? Listen, how could you know, my dear? You never attended you are not a regular student in offline and online also. So these don't require so much of attention now. I have taught so many times. By 1448, Gutenberg perfected the system of printing. Okay? And the first book which he printed was the Bible. Next, why was reading of manuscript? It is very easy question. Very easy, and this question is belong to 7th standard. 10th class. Because I had taught 7th and 6th class also 2 years back in your school. I know that in SST this question has the content belong to this question has taught earlier 6th to 7th standard, and I am reading and you have to listen carefully. Okay? Why was the reading of manuscript not easy in India? Choose the appropriate reason from the following option. You understood the question? Why in India reading of manuscript was not easy? Your options are: manuscripts were highly cheap. Second, manuscripts were widely spread out. Third, manuscripts were written in English and Hindi. Or last, manuscripts were fragile. Now you should know the meaning of fragile. Only then you can understand. Yes or no? Why in India it is not easy to read manuscript? Your options are given. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Fragile means very delicate and soft. And it is the correct option. That reading manuscript in India is not easy, as manuscripts were very delicate and soft. They can be anytime damaged. Okay? That's why it is not easy to read manuscript in India, because they are fragile. Then meaning also should be clear. Next question. Who were called chapmen? History. Very interesting. I have explained the chapter. Who were called chapmen? Your options are bookseller, paper seller, workers of printing press, or seller of penny chapbooks. Who called chapmen? Can I ask you one thing? I have found it that you have not prepared yourself for main board examination. And you have given so many examinations online. I am finding that nobody is prepared for main board examination. Very easiest question. Not easy, easiest question. Who were called chapmen? And your correct answer is seller of penny chapbooks were called chapmen. Next question. Now they have given the format of the question like this. Fill in the blanks like this. resources where they have given capital A. You will write down capital A and then long dash and then examples biotic and abiotic. It means you have to give examples of biotic and abiotic in A. Okay? Any two examples of biotic resources and then any two examples of abiotic resources. Okay? Second, B. What you have supposed to write in B? Renewable and non-renewable. You have to give at least two examples of, you will write down B dash, two examples of renewable resources and then two examples of non-renewable. But your answering format will be like so. A then dash. Then you will write down what is required in A, two examples of biotic and two examples of abiotic. Getting my point? Because two is necessary, na? You will write down one, but at least learn any three so that you can write down any two. So such type of question they will ask and you have to answer them in the same format. This is known as a presentation of answer. Okay? Next, very easy. Which is the oldest artificial seaport of India? Give stress to your mind. Which is the oldest artificial seaport of India? Yeah, I am asking. Which one? Lifelines of national economy. They have given so much of time to this chapter. Chennai port. Chennai port was known as the oldest artificial seaport of India. Next question which was given as option. Aditi, I am sorry dear, it can't help you. It can't help you that one day you thinking that you will complete everything and you will learn by heart. Study is step to step. It is not just one day you just achieve everything. Don't think so. There are the students who are every time. Okay, they are not coming to school. There are some students from 10C who are not coming to school from starting. But still, they know everything. Because they are very much aware that how they have to read, how they have to do the homework, one instruction and then they follow.